In our last classes, we all are learned. Once again, we revised also. We revised before numbers, children, between numbers, and after numbers. We revised, na? And also we learned one concept, that is a small to big. Yes, children, we did that exercise, and we also find out that how we have to write and how we have to rearrange the numbers with the small to big. Yes, children, we learn now. Yes, today we start our class with a new concept, that is big to small. In last class we learned small to big. Today we are learning about the concept of big to small. What means of a big? Big. Automatic ಏನಂತ ಕೈ ಹಿಂಗಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವ. Big means ದೊಡ್ಡದು. Small means ಚಿಕ್ಕದು. Big, small. As children, first in these cases we have to write the first big numbers. It means we have to write ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಸಣ್ಣ ನಂಬರ್ದಿಂದ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ವಿ. ಇವತ್ತೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರ್ದಿಂದ ಸಣ್ಣ ನಂಬರ್ ಮಟ ನಾವು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಡ್ ದಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್. I given na children page number 110 to 113 I given as a homework. I hope you all are did that homework. As children, you all are written the smallest number, that is a page number 113. You are rearrange that number small to big. I hope you all are did these works in your textbook as well as fair book. You all are did na kids? Very good. And today we start our class with the big to small concept. So the spelling of big is B-I-G, big. T-O-2, small. S-M-A-L-L, small. Big means doddadu, small means chikkadu. All of you open the page number 115. Are you got this page, kids? Are you got? Okay. As children, in your home, you have your brother is there, your sister is there. As children, there na your brother or sister is there na. Yes. In your brothers have 10 chocolates. Your brothers have 10 chocolates and you have 5 chocolates. Then who has more chocolates? 10 chocolates or 5 chocolates? Yes, 10 chocolates are there. Your brother has more chocolates. It means your brother is a big number. Your brother have a big number of chocolates. You have a small number of chocolates. Yes, children? Yes. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿರ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಣ್ಣ ಇರ್ತಾರ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕ ಇರ್ತಾರ, ನೀವಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಮ್ಮ ಇರ್ತಾರ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂಗಿ ಇರ್ತೀರಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರದರ್. ನಾ BRO ಬ್ರೋ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ sister. She is your sister, sis. And here is you, a small boy or girl. Okay, children, this is you. As children, here in 3 members, who is big or elder? ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಡರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವ್ರಿ ನಾವು. ಅಣ್ಣ ಅಕ್ಕಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಡರ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ ರೀ, ಎಲ್ಡರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ರೀ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾ ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡೀನಿ. ನಿಮ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಏನಿವ್ರು ಬಿಗ್. ನಿಮ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ಕಿನ ಸಣ್ಣವ್ರು ಯಾರು? ನಿಮ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೋರು ಯಾರು? ನಿಮ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಣ್ಣವ್ರು ಇರ್ತಾರ. ನಿಮ್ಗೇನಿರ್ತಾರ, ದೊಡ್ಡವ್ರು ಇರ್ತಾರ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಣ್ಣವ್ರು ಇರ್ತಾರ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೋರು ಯಾರು? ನೀವು. ಯಾರದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ತೀರಿ. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಬಿಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿವಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಇವ್ರ ಬಿಗ್, ಇವ್ರಕಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್, ಇವ್ರಕಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ನೀವು. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್? ಹಿಯರ್ ನೋಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಕಡೆ 50 ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅವ, ನಿಮ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕಡೆ 34 ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅವ, ನಿಮ್ ಕಡೆ 20 ಅದ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರ ಕಡೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅದಾವ? ನಿಮ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಕಡೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ, 50 ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 50 is a big number. Okay, and your sister also have a 34 chocolates. It is also a big number of you. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬಾಳ ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್? As it is a big number of a 50 ಆದಿಂದ 34 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, 34 ಆದಿಂದ 20. ಈಗ ನೀವು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. 20 ನೀವು 20 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ರೂ 34 ಬಂತ? ನೋ, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 20 is a smaller than 34. 34 is a smaller than 50. Okay children, like this you have to find the big number and also you have to write here. Okay, big number means ದೊಡ್ಡದು. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಒಳಗ ಸೇಮ್ ತಗೋರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಪ್ಪ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಮ್ಮಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜನ್ ತಗೋರಿ, ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಬಿಗ್ ಯಾರದಾರ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜನ್ಕಿನ ಸಣ್ಣವ್ರು ಯಾರು? ಅಜ್ಜಿ. ಅಜ್ಜಿಕಿನ ಸಣ್ಣವ್ರು ಯಾರು? ಪಪ್ಪ. ಪಪ್ಪನ್ಕಿನ ಸಣ್ಣವ್ರು ಯಾರು? ಮಮ್ಮಿ. ಮಮ್ಮಿಕಿನ ಸಣ್ಣವ್ರು ಅಣ್ಣ, ಅಕ್ಕ, ನೀವು. ಹೌದಾ? ಈ ರೀತಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಬಿಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಟು ಬಿಗ್. As children, it means you got that idea children? As big andra ದೊಡ್ಡದು, small andra ಚಿಕ್ಕದು. As children, in your page number 115, they are given some examples. See children. As children, do you have na? As here a belt is there. Excuse me. As here a watch belt is there children. In that watch belt they are written some numbers. Okay, which numbers they are written? I am drawing like this only here. As in that they are written some numbers like 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. In this they have written the numbers. First one 16 12 15 13 14 and 17. Like this they are given to us numbers. You have to find here which number is big. As see children, here the numbers is between 11 to 20. See here, 16 is there, 12 is there, 15, 13, 14, 17. It means here number is there 11 to 20. 11 to 20 between numbers are there here. You count. 1, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, 20 is okay, backward number 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Okay, every time when you say the numbers, you have to say both numbers, forward numbers and backward numbers. Both you have to say children. Okay, in here, see. 16 is there, 12, 15, 13, 17, 14, 17. Which number will come? Take backward numbers. 20, 19, 18, 18 backward number, 17, 17's backward number, 16, 16's backward number, 15. Here is the 15. 15's backward number 14. 14 also we have here. 14's backward number 13. 13 also is there here. 12. See children, when we say the backward numbers, that time we will get the big to small numbers. Understood? When we say the backward numbers, we will get the big to small numbers. Observe you properly. First you write down the backward numbers and see how we will get the big to small numbers. You see children. Okay? Okay. Next one, they are given as a cup. Yes children, here they are given one cup. In this cup they are written the numbers like 95, 93, 96 and 94. Okay, here numbers are there 19 to 100. Yes children, 91, 92, 93. Here numbers are there given between numbers of 19 to 100. Okay, you count the 100 to backward numbers. 100, 99, 98. You got here 98? No. First number is there, that is 96. 98, 97, 96. We got a 96. Write your first number like 96. After the 96, before the 96, which number will come? That is the 95. 95 is before number. 94. 94 is before number. 93. Like this, you have to count the backward number and you have to count the before numbers. We will get here big to small numbers. Sometimes children, here they are given serial numbers. That's why we got here the serial number ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂದ್ರೆ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ. ಲೈಕ್ ಇವನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ಸ್ 4 ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಹೋಮ್. Okay, here they are given same serial numbers they are given. You count the backward number. You count the backward number and also you count the before numbers. You will get the big to small numbers, children. Okay, the before remains 4. These are today's homework. Okay, for some examples here they are given. Here also they are given some serial wise number also they are given here, children. Like you have to write. Okay children, all of you open page number 16, 116. Are you got my children? I did here 2. You have to do remains. You have to do in your home. Like, see children. 1, 2, 3, 4. Today's homework. These 4 numbers you have to count the backward numbers as well as before numbers. When you count the backward numbers, you will get the numbers of a big to small. Okay? Okay, turn the page. S. 116, big to small. Rearrange the numerals from big to small. Here also they are given the numbers like 63, 66, 64, 65, 68, 67. Once again they are given to us serial numbers. You have to count the backward numbers. You have to count the before numbers and you have to do these activities in your home. In next class I will do these all activities. But you have to ಈಗ ನಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ಕೋತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಮನೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ತಗೋರಿ. ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿನಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಯಾವುದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ, ಫಿಶ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಫಿಶ್. When it is technique of when they are given only serial numbers, kids. Okay. $71, $75, $76, $74, $73, $72. Like this they are given, kids. See here. Here also 7 is there. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. 7 is common. ಹೌದಾ? ಇದು ಏನು ಮಾಡತಾರೆ 71 to 80 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 7 ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಸೇಮ್ 7 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 1 5 6 2 3 4 ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 1 to 10 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 1 5 6 4 3 2 ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರು? 6 is a big numbers. That's why I'm writing here first one as a 76. Next one. Okay. You just do like this. Okay. You put a mark like this with a pencil, children. Okay. Next 1 5 2 3 4. Which number is the big? 5 number is the big. I'm writing here 75. And this 7 3 2 sorry 1 4 3 2. 4 is the biggest number. Perfect. Remains 3 numbers 1 3 2. 3 is the big number. 73. 1 2. 2 is the big. 72. Only one number remains, that is 71. Another one method like this you have to write. Okay. Easy easy ಅನಿಸಿದ್ರ ಇದು ಬರೀರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಈಸಿ ಅನಿಸ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ಮಿಸ್ ವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಲರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಎಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಡೂ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ otherwise I am not getting an idea I am just confused ma'am you do this one. Okay children, after finishing your work you have to rub these marks children. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ ಅಳಕಿಸಬೇಕು ರಬ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹಂಗ ಬಿಡಬಾರ್ದು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ. Okay children, like this you have to do in your home and you have to write these all activities. Okay. Okay, then all of you open page number 117. 117. In 117 page, they are given arrange the numerals from the smallest to biggest. They are given number like this 37, 48, 62, 79, 26. They are given like these children. Yes. Till then we all are learned the big to small numbers, serial numbers. ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ 7 7 7 7 ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವು ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತದ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವ ಬಟ್ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಹಂಗಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಿರ್ತೈತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ 37 is there, here 48 is there, 62, 79, 26. Like this they are given. You just see both numbers. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ 3 4 6 7 2. Okay children, here they are given smallest to biggest, not big to small, small to big. Here we have to write the number small to big. ಸಣ್ಣದ್ರಿಂದ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. In these numbers which number is a small? 3 4 6 7 2. Which number is a small? Very good. 2 is a small na? That's why I am writing first number 26. Okay, you circle it. After finishing your work, you have to rub all that circles, children. Okay. Next, 3, 4, 6, 7. Which number is a small? 3. That's why I am writing here 37. Okay. Next, circle it. 4, 6, 7. Which number is small? 4. It means we have to write here 48. Circle it. 6, 7. 6 is a small. 62. Remains is 79. I am writing here 79. Are you got that idea, children? After finishing your work, you have to rub these circles. Okay? Yes. Here I did small 2s. They are asking here smallest to biggest number. Smallest to biggest. Remains 2 you have to do in your home. These 2 are your homework. Remains 2. They are here also they are given numbers like 23, 65, 38, 49, 54. First you see the first number and write here which number is a small. 2, 6, 3, 4, 5. 2 is a small number. First you have to write here first number 23. Okay, like this you have to do in your home. These 2 are today's homework. Turn the page. That is the page number 118. Here they are given the numbers big to small. Okay. The first one is 55, 11, 33, 22, 44. We all did big to small numbers. Serial wise numbers we did, children. Okay? ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ವೈಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ವೈಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನೀವು. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. 5, 1, 3, 2, 4. ಇದರ ಬಿಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದು? 1 big, 3, 2, 4, 5. Which number is the big? 5 is a big number. That's why I am writing here 55. Next, after the 55, which number is big? 44. Next, 1, 3, 2. 3 is a big. 33. 1, 2. 2 is a big. 22 remains 11. Like this, you have to do in your home. That is the page number 118. Okay, children. In page number 118, they are given numbers. These 2 are today's homework. 93, 39, 33, 23, 34. Okay. You just observe the first numbers and which number is the big. First write here big number. Circle it. Next, see which number is big. Remains numbers. Which number is big? See and write here. Okay. Like this you have to do in your home. Okay, children. Are you understood these concepts? And write down today's homework. HW complete the page number 115 to 118 in your both books, like textbooks and fair book. Okay, kids? Okay, today's homework. Yes. In next class we will start with the next chapter, that is patterns. Till then you do more examples. ಇವನ್ನಷ್ಟ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಾಕಿಸ್ಕೊರಿ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಕಡೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕೇಳಿರಲ್ಲ, ಇದ್ರ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಫ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಇದ್ರ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೋರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay children, have a good day, take care, bye.